Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this Clovia box. So if you're interested in knowing what I have inside this box, then continue watching. So firstly, this time I have picked up different kind of panties, and my last two haul was on bridal collection. Like one was for bras, like different kind of bras and shapewear, and the other one was 7-piece satin set. If you haven't watched that video, I'll provide the link in this I button. You can check it out. That will be helpful for everyone, especially the brides. And today I'll be showing you guys different kind of panties which I have picked up. So you get all the products inside this box over here if you order, and once we open, we have all the products inside here like this. So firstly, I'll show you guys the new launch from Clovia, which is this GALPAL pad which says rash-free periods with cotton feel top layer. Ultra thin pads for heavy flow with wider back and super dry technology. I have picked up in two different sizes just to try out, and this is in the size XL, and I also have double XL. You can see the size here. So both the sizes have 160 mm wider back, which is very comfortable, and the length depends on the size. As you can see right here, the length will be little different from each other. You get 10 pads in the package, and for XL pad it retails for 220 rupees, and for double XL pad it retails for 260 rupees. So these are the two sizes they have come up with, which is a great initiative. Pads are rash free. As we all know, we suffer a lot from irritation, discomfort and itchiness because of the satin top layer of the pad, but these pads are cotton. It feels like feather and it's very smooth, and also it promises to be rash free, make you feel comfortable, and also it's leakage proof because of its absorbency. Now let's see how it looks, because as I have two sizes, you can compare the size and you can get accordingly. So this is the XL pad and this is the double XL pad. So this is the size of XL pad and this is the size of double XL pad. You can see the difference here. I usually go for XL plus, but as they have double XL in this brand, then I will go for double XL itself. So you can choose accordingly, as I said you guys. And it feels very soft. At the same time, it's ultra thin. It's not that thick pads which you get. So yeah, that's about this GALPAL rash free pads. I highly recommend you guys to try it out, because as it makes you feel rash free and comfortable, then why not? So do check out the website for this pads. And now let's move on with the different types and kinds of panties. So first category is this bikini panties. I have picked up in two different colors. It looks like this. It also has this full coverage at the back. It doesn't mean like bikini gives you less coverage, but you can see this panty, it gives you full coverage at the back and at the front. And next one is this, which looks like this. I have two different variants in bikini itself. In this panty, it has this wide leg opening, and front part is not that full coverage and it's less wider. And this is in cotton material, like it's super cotton and it feels so comfortable. And it also has this double layer gusset over here to make it more hygiene. So this is the first variant, and this I have is kind of like jersey kind of a material, I would say, but not like exactly jersey. You can easily use this material for swimming, and also prices for each panty differs because as they have huge sale every now and then, and right now also they are running with a sale, because you'll get like 3 panties for $5.99, $6.99, 4 panties for $4.99. You can check it out. There are like huge varieties of sale. So these are the two bikini panties. And then next up I have is this BOYLEG panty, which we exactly started using in school days. So this is the BOYLEG panty, which is kind of tights, but this is in cotton material, which is very soft and comfortable. So you can get in different sizes and different colors as well. So this kind of panties goes very well with your frocks or skirts, and it will be most comfortable for you guys. And also if you're working out or if you're doing cycling, this kind of shorts are really helpful. Then next I have BOYSHORTS panties, which looks like this, which has like a full coverage, you guys. And I have picked up in 3 different colors because they are most comfortable. I have it in yellow as well, and I have it in this plum shade. So these are the panties. You can give it a try because it makes you feel so comfortable, and at the same time it's high-waisted panties as well. So if you're working out and if you're like walking on daily basis, you can try this kind of boy shorts. It will be more helpful because it does not rub your thighs between and does not cause any rashes. So I highly recommend you guys to try out this boy short panties. The next category I have is Hipsters Panty. So these are the panties which looks like this. These are high-waisted panties. You can see it gives you full coverage at this upper part, and at the back also it gives you full coverage. And I picked up in 5 different colors because this hipster panties are super duper comfortable, and also they had huge varieties of different patterns in this. I really loved all the patterns, you guys. Every panties looks so cute and so pretty on the website. Then I got this one which has watermelon and pineapple print, and the material is so good. Especially this particular panty has this thick cotton material which I really loved. And as I said, you guys, all the panties have extra gusset for hygiene purpose. Then next one I got in this color which looks like this. Few of the hipster panties looks like regular panties itself, but it's so comfortable. And then I have this one, and you can see there's a print of Powerpuff Girls. And then I got this pineapple print which looks super cute. And then the last one is this one. So this hipster panties hold your pads very nicely as they have like less wider part in this front section. The pad will hold very stiff on this kind of panties. Those were all the hipster panty, and now I have thongs. Thongs also comes in different varieties. You'll get in satin, you'll also get in that lace form, but I got in this cotton material. This is how it looks. This kind of panties help when you don't want to show that panty line. If you're wearing bodycon dresses or if you're wearing something white, then this kind of panties will help a lot. So this is the next variant. Then next and the last panty I'm talking about is maternity panty. Yes, you heard it right. You also get maternity panty just to make you feel so comfortable. So this is the maternity panty. It gives you full coverage at front and back also. It also has this high waisted to cover your belly, and I can feel it would be super duper comfortable. So you can get different colors as well in this maternity panty. So these are all the panty guide I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope it was helpful. And lastly, I have 4 bras which I picked up on sale. So I picked up all the t-shirt bras which are like basic bras. First bra is this, which looks like this. It's very basic, just for your t-shirt, and you can use it at home as well. It comes with this kind of a straps which is really chic. And this is how the bra looks like, and the material is also really nice, very thick cotton material. So this is the first one. Then I got this bra which is slightly thicker and it's very comfortable as well. So this is the basic just normal bra. And then I have this bra which has this lace detailing, and also it has this wide band over here which is really comfortable, and it is slightly longer than rest of the bras. So I really loved this bra. It fits nicely and it's very comfortable as well. This also has a thick cotton material. It's not padded bra. And lastly, I got this Razorback which looks like this from front, and this is how it looks at the back. It also has this netted side straps. And this is the most comfortable bra I have ever tried in this Razorback pattern. I really loved how it fits. So that was all the products from Clovia. I really hope this video was helpful. And do check out their website because they have a wide range of innerwears, lingeries, bras, panties and nightwears. They have like many other stuffs. And also if you use this code which is right on the screen, you'll get some discount while checking out. I provide direct link in the description box with the coupon code. That I'll wrap this video. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you have watched me till now, thank you all so much for watching.